last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling.
Okay, my friends, we are going to start off making some Keto Twinkies. So you've seen this in a previous video. I did pick this up at the Goodwill. I did clean it. We ain't nasty around here. But this is just a Hostess Twinkie maker. I'm pretty sure you could probably find it on Amazon. If you did not have one of these, you could make Twinkie boats out of foil. You just go ahead and form them into a shape of a Twinkie, and then you would just bake them, okay? But because I have this little contraption, we're gonna try it. So yeah, you're just, has a little 6 compartments, which is pretty great because we are using pancake mix. You guys see me mention this. I just got this in the mail and I wanted to try it out. I really love High Key products. They're not sponsoring this video. They just sent me this, so I just wanted to try it out. And I had a taste for Twinkies because I see my kids were looking at them at the grocery store, and I was like, I haven't had a Twinkie in a hot minute. And you guys remember when they like took them off the shelves and people like rioted? So anyways, we're going to use a pancake mix. It's 2 net carbs, and it gives you the ingredients that you need. So you need some eggs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 net carbs per serving, and this will make 6 pancakes. I don't know how deep these are going to be, but we're going to try it out. We're going to try to make 6 Twinkies out of them. So yeah, I have all my ingredients right here for them. I have the organic unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I have the vanilla extract. I have my eggs. I have my coconut oil. And yeah, so that's what's going to be for our pancake mixture, okay? So we'll make that. But you're going to wonder, how are we going to do our creamy filling? We're going to use the Swerve confectioner's sugar. We're going to make it, we're going to whip it real good. Whip it. No, seriously. We're going to take some of this and we're going to whip it with some heavy cream. And yeah, so we'll mix that up, and then we're going to, while those are cooking, because you know, you got to whip it for a little bit. I don't have a stand mixer anymore. So I have just this hand mixer with the whisk attachment. These on hand from like previous like parties and stuff like that. So it has just the pastry bag and the little attachments. So I'm going to do just like Hostess does and like make 3 holes on the bottom and fill them. I did see that if you have children like myself and you guys have these little medicine syringes, people were using them because they are pronged and you could just kind of stick them up there and fill them. But so that's an option. I don't know if you guys want to use those or not, but if you have them, you can use those. But I'm going to try these out and see how it works. Hopefully it works. Some of these attachments look really, really big, but I'm going to go through and see what they have and just fill them up. But I'm really excited because, I don't know, I've never tried keto Twinkies before, and I feel like people never make them. So let's go ahead and we're going to start on our pancakes first. So let me get your rice all set up. So yeah, but first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the 2 tablespoons. This is the organic virgin coconut oil, unrefined. That's what you're going to want to use. It says on there keto certified. I get mine at Target. But yeah, so go ahead and you're going to put this in the microwave for about like 10 seconds. It may not be fully melted just because sometimes it isn't, but it'll be okay. So I'm going to melt that first and then get you guys all set up, and we're going to start making our pancakes. Okay, so we have our mixing bowl. I have my semi-melted coconut oil, so that was 30 grams of that. And I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of the High Key baking mix. I believe I have a discount code for them. If I do, I'll link it down below. If not, I'm pretty sure everybody that follows keto, that's like an influencer, has it. So yeah, I'll try. If I don't have one, I'll find somebody else's and I'll link it down below. But anyways, we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of this High Key one. I'm really excited to make these because I told you guys I'm having my daughters a little Christmas party right before break, or right like the last day before they go on break, you know, or the last day, school day of break, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I thought these would be a really great thing to make for the kids. So, you know, because I don't try to deprive my kids of like snacks and stuff that we had growing up, because I just think it's part of growing up. But if I can make them homemade and they can still have the treat, that's even better for me, you know. But again, it's just my parenting skills. You don't have to follow what I do. So we're just gonna add the rest of the ingredients here. So I have this all. We're gonna toss in the coconut oil. I have a little spatula here. We're gonna toss that in. Okay. We need 1/4 of a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So this is the one I get just from Aldi. So we're gonna throw 1/4 in there. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the almond milk. This is gonna be tricky, but we're gonna try it. So 3 tablespoons. And we're going to add in 1 egg. Okay, so while I'm starting to mix my batter up, I'm going to plug in this Twinkie maker, and I'm actually going to spray it down with a little bit of cooking spray, just because that's usually what I do when I make like pancakes and stuff anyways. So yeah, so we're gonna let this get nice and warm, and yeah, I think, do we close it? I don't know. Okay. So I guess when it turns green, it's ready. I don't know, but yeah, so we're gonna let that warm up while we're mixing up our stash here. I'm just kind of swooping it. It is pretty thick. I wonder if that's the point, to make it kind of thick. So I'll make as many as we can out of this mix, and if I had to double up the recipe, then I would. I just wanted to start out initially using the portion size they recommended. All right, so I'm going to just fill up these little slots, I guess, with the batter. Shit, I lost some right here. Okay. I guess this would only make 3 Twinkies. So we would have to double it for a whole half dozen. So that's good to know. This is the first time we're doing this, so now we know, right? Okay. So 3 Twinkies, and that's gonna be the 2 carbs, okay? But these are gonna be thick, right? Because that's how we like them. So we'll just go ahead and close it and lock it, and then I believe when it's done, that'll go green. So here we go. Let's see how these Twinkies do their damn thing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start on our mixture. Let me show you what we're gonna put in it real nice and quick. These are actually a lot easier than I anticipated making, so I'm hoping that it stays that way. So we're going to take some heavy whipping cream. This is the Horizon Organic one. I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup of that. Okay. And I'm just going to dump that in here. I put it in a bigger bowl because I really wanted to gain some volume, okay? Because you know, usually when you have like a Twinkie, the filling is real like fluffy. So, and then I'm going to take some of the confectioner sugar, the Swerve one, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that. So if you guys were having any kind of Christmas parties, these would be such a fun treat to bring as well. Or just to have around the house, you know? Just like maybe have with your coffee or something. I think that sounds really good. So then I'm going to just whip it. So you can tell, hopefully you guys can see, because I know it's kind of bright, but you can see that it's a nice, thick, creamy consistency. Okay? So now, pretty good, pretty good. We're going to add this to our pastry bag. But here you go. Here is your Keto whipped cream filling. All right, so our Twinkies are done. We had to make sure that not only the outside was finished, but the inside. So I'm gonna try to get these out of here, but I wonder if I can. Hell yeah. All right, there you go. There's our Twinkies. Okay. You guys are wondering why we had this? It was for when Leo was making what are those? Jalapeno poppers. And he was putting the cream cheese. So I always put my pastry thing in here in like a little cup to hold it up. It's easier. Recommend it. So I'm going to take just the bowl, and I have this spatula here, and I'm going to dump my mixture inside here. We like real chefs right now. Like, I need an apron. How come I've never bought an apron? Would you guys die if you see me in an apron? I think you would. My mother-in-law wears one. I actually got her one for Christmas too, but it's okay, we can talk about it because she doesn't, she can't speak English, so she doesn't know what I'm saying on my channel. So, but if you know her, oh, that's good. If you know her, don't tell her. All right, so we have our little Twinkies. We're gonna take our pastry bag. Okay. You remember you're gonna have to, also PS, I took 4 years of cooking in high school. They called it foods, but nonetheless, I took that shit. I took all the damn electives. My mom used to get so mad when she used to see my schedule line up. Like, are you serious? We're gonna flip these bad boys over, right? We're gonna snip. Oh, well, that wasn't a good snip. We're gonna snip, and then we're gonna twist this guy on here. Okay. Okay, so here are our Twinkies, right? Let's cut into them. I think these were too warm. Oh, hell yeah, you could see it. Hold on. You could see it has the cream filling. So it's definitely there. These are really good. These are really freaking good. I would wait until these cool down all the way and then fill them with the batter, or with the filling, just because it kind of liquefies them because it's like a milk sugar mix. But these are really good. The cake mix is pretty good too. I feel like I can kind of taste the coconut oil, but it's not bad. Unless you like don't like to taste coconut oil, I don't mind it. But these are definitely really, really good. Again, if you did not have the Twinkie maker, you could go ahead and just use the boats. Like, you just go ahead and make a boat out of foil and fill your you know, like your dough into there. I know if you didn't want to use high key, you can make your own pancake mix. Or you can do the Swerve Sweets. I've seen those at local grocery stores. But these are really, really good. They're nice and full. You guys can see, legit Twinkie. And then you're gonna open it up and you'll have all the Twinkie filling. Again, I would do this when they were cool. So nonetheless, this is a win. You know it's a win if I keep eating them. So it was really easy too. All you really needed was some kind of pancake mix or cake mix. Again, I'll leave the high key down below. You can use the Swerve Sweets. You can make your own pancake batter. Whatever you do, you can do it on your own. And then the filling was super simple. 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of confectioner sugar. Boom, and you just filled that sucker up. That was it. Super easy. Took the guesswork out of it. So if you guys were interested in getting you one of these bomb Twinkies, there you go. Again, we found our Twinkie maker at the Goodwill, but if you wanted to get one, I'm sure they have it on like eBay or something like that. So there you go. All right guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Another quick, easy, kind of just, you want to show you guys a little treat I kind of found and thought of. Hopefully you guys try it out. If you do, let me know down below. Again, I would wait until everything cooled off to put the mixture on the inside. But other than that, these are really good. I'm definitely gonna make these for my kids. I really think they would like them. I'm definitely gonna make these for my kids and their friends, just because I know what's in them and they still can get that, because my kids like Twinkies and stuff like that. So I definitely know that they would enjoy them and they still get the pleasures of childhood, but I know what's in them. So I don't have to worry about, like, you know, whatever's in the Twinkie. If you guys are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Danielle. We do this keto thing. We do a little bit of everything around here. I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. We are doing Vlogmas, so you'll see a video every day from me until Christmas. Hopefully, I'm trying real hard. And yeah, so that's gonna be it. I will see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.